Alright, welcome back. So this is gonna be a little short video. Basically, we got the BRZ ready for Halloween. We're going to a trunk and treat meet where we're gonna decorate the trunk of the BRZ for Halloween. So this is just a little video. We were at the ocean a couple weeks back and decided to chop up a little video of the BRZ at the ocean, and she is ready for Halloween. So enjoy. Hope you like it.
And I'm a wonder.